Hey, thanks for checking in on my newsletter. I hope everything's going great with you guys. Real quick, I wanted to go over how we get paid as buyer's agents. A lot of people know how listing agents get paid. You get a listing and you charge a fee, and the seller pays that fee out of their closing proceeds. But as a buyer's agent, it's a little bit different. We don't get paid any money up front. We don't get paid for the time and effort that we put into searching homes, doing market values, pulling comps, doing CMAs for you, researching the home, the title, make sure it's clean and clear, coordinating with the closing company, coordinating appointments with vendors like inspectors and those types of things, and making sure if we get clear to close and make sure we get through the closing process. None of that we get paid. We don't have that salary. So we actually get our portion of our commission comes from the listing side in most cases. We accept the compensation that is given in the MLS. For instance, if a seller is paying 6% real estate fees to their listing agent, part of that percentage goes to the buying side. Typically, that is anywhere from 2 to 2.5%. Now, it can fluctuate. Now, in the off chance that the listing agent is only paying 1 or 1.5%, you may be out of pocket a little bit of money. Your agent will go over this with you on the front end if this is the case. But for instance, if your commission, if our commission fees are 2.4%, and someone's not willing to pay that, then we would have to have that or the difference of that from the buyer, and we would collect that when we do the work for you. So keep that in mind. Most of the time we get paid from the listing side, but there are some instances where buyers do have to pay a little bit out of pocket. But also keep in mind that we're there for your best interest in your corner. We're making sure that you're represented well and making sure that everything's done right and protecting you throughout this process. So 2.5% to do that is a fantastic deal from a buyer's perspective. I hope this helps shed some light and clarity on commission fees.